Arrive in style with this Cadillac 2016 ATS 2.5L. If you are looking for a first-class ride, you have found it. This vehicle's top features include 7 speakers, AM/FM radio, Sirius XM, AM/FM stereo, Bose Premium 7-speaker audio system feature, radio data system, Sirius XM satellite radio, air conditioning, automatic temperature control and front dual-zone AC. If you are looking for a solid pre-owned car, this might be the one. Don't let this vehicle get away. Call or click to schedule a test drive today.